Alright folks, it's done. That's right, the 1971 C10 in Spanish gold. She's finished. Oh sure, there's a few little things to do here and there. There's always that. Shakedown driver too. We haven't had any issues to speak of. Can't even think of one right now. Oh, the speedometer's still off a little bit. I'll keep adjusting that. But it turned out pretty good. Remember, this is all original panels except the tailgate. It is a GM tailgate, but it's been replaced once upon a time. The top did turn out pretty darn good. I'm happy with it. All new marker lights on top. Seals are brand new. New windshield. The spray and bed liner turned out pretty nice, I would say. I'm very happy with it. I've even used it a few times. It's been a long while. I think about 2 years start to finish. 1 year on YouTube. Check out the channel. Check out all the videos and what all's been done. From intricate little details to, I don't know, putting the motor in. We'll check out the interior too. I really enjoy the truck. Excuse me. 4-wheel disc brakes is nice. Open the door and check out this interior. It did turn out pretty snazzy. Now it's done in the original style, if you will. Excuse my finger. New door panels. I didn't even see that. I gotta clean that up a little bit. But original style dash, seats recovered. Those seats are very comfortable. I'm really surprised. Bench seat. Dash is all cleaned up. Needles all repainted. Everything's been gone through. Fuel gauge works. Radio works. Bluetooth works. Alright, thought I'd give you a quick look over. You guys check it out. Might as well look under the hood real quick if you got a second. Bear with me, you know how these are. Piece of cake, really. Oop, double latch, one-handed. How am I going to do that? I don't know. Hang on. I know. Just hang on. This is what you get with my editing. I'm still here. All right, under the hood. Just clean, old school 350. It does have roller rockers, roller cam, that kind of thing. Normal oil changes. You don't need any special ZDP or anything. Air conditioner's ice cold. I'm very happy with that. It did turn out great. Glad you guys came along to watch. And if you just coming along now, check it out. It's been fun. And then we're going to get going on the 1968 C10 in white, bright white. So that's it for old Sneaky Tricks. We'll revisit it here and there from time to time. But right now I've just been enjoying driving it. Get out in your shop, get your project finished. It ain't easy, but one day at a time you'll get her done. Oh, I almost forgot the giveaway. Alright, this is it. I'm going to give away. You ready? I'm giving away a 1971 C10 in Spanish gold. You heard me right. It's a matchbox size car, and right now it's in the paint shop. I totally took it apart. I'm painting the body to match this one. I have the white top on it, and I'll be giving that away in 2 weeks. I'm going to give it a 2-week run. I'll mention it again next week, and next week I'll show you what it looks like because the paint will all be dry and I'll have it back together. I told you I was going to give something away. Basically a replica of this truck right here. All you got to do is make a comment. Anything at all. Thumbs up, thumbs down. You name it. Put a comment in there and then I'll have your name. I can write your name down, draw it out of a hat. Because I only have like a couple hundred people watch this anyway, so I can write that down. It's not like I got hundreds of thousands. Anyway, we'll talk more about the giveaway next week. And I'll show you what the 1971 C10 in Spanish gold looks like. Pretty much this right here. Only, let's see if I can do it. You can hold it right in your hand. Any rate, we'll talk to you next week.